Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started with the model question papers 2024-25. Okay, this is a set 1 paper. We have the questions, 80 mark questions we have got. Come on, let's solve first multiple choice questions. Here as you can see, the value of x, we need to find the value of x in this AP, that is 7x23. This is an AP 7x23. We need to find out the value of x, students. Now here, this is first term, this is second term, and this is third term, right? Now we know the common difference. The difference will be a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2. We will be having a common difference. Now the difference is, that is a2 minus a1. I'll write here a2 minus a1 equals to a3 minus a2. Okay. Now what is a2 here? X minus 7 equals to a3 is 23. 23 minus a2 will be x. a2 is nothing but the second term. Okay. Now we will arrange the x terms to the left hand side. We have already got here x. We'll take x this side. It becomes plus x equals to. After equals to, we have got 23. 23 plus 7. So 2x equals to, when we add these both, we are going to get 30. That is x equals to 30 by 2. When we divide this, we get 15. So C option is correct, students. Hope this is clear. Now here, second question is coordinates of origin. So what will be the coordinates of origin? The coordinates of origin will be always 0, 0. Okay, this is x and y plane or coordinate plane, we can say. Okay, this is the origin, and this origin has got, that is x-axis we have 0 and y-axis also 0. So therefore we say the coordinates of the origin will be 0, 0. Now, this is the third question, the number of solutions they have. So this is the figure, right? In this figure, you can see it is meeting at only one point. When it is meeting at only one point, we say it has got only one solution. Only one solution. Okay, students, you can see that this is intersecting lines where it has got only one solution. This is parallel lines. It has got no solution because they are not meeting. Okay, nor we have got a common point here. So this is a parallel lines. We say it has got no solution. This is coincident lines. All the points are overlapping on each other. That means we have got infinite number of points or infinite number of solutions. Understood? This is intersecting lines with one solution, and this is consistent. Consistent means at least we should have one solution. At least one solution we should have. So we have got one point, that is one solution we have got. It is consistent. This is a parallel lines. It is inconsistent because we have got no solution for this. This is coincident lines. All the points are meeting each other. So that means it is infinite number of solutions we have got, and again it is consistent. Hope you have understood this. Now here, students, you can see we have got the question, that is in triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC where DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Now then we need to find out what is AD by BD. So let us apply the Thales theorem. What does the Thales theorem states? That if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So if it is AD, then AD by BD will say. The other side will be AE by EC. AE by EC. So option D is correct, students. The maximum number of tangents that can be drawn from the external point to a circle. This is a circle. From the XL point, we can just draw two tangents. Okay. So only two tangents can be drawn to a circle. If we want to draw more, it will become a secant because it will pass through the circle at two distinct points. So option B is correct. Here we have got the next question. The degree of the polynomial 2x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 3 will be, so degree means the power, the highest power is the highest degree of the polynomial. So when we compare 4 and 3, 4 is the highest number. So we say the highest degree of this polynomial will be 4. We just need to write the power of 4, not 2x to the power of 4. Now we have got next question. The prime factor of 156, prime factors which is not divisible by any other table but by itself. Prime factors. Now here 156, let us divide and let us check. Okay. So prime numbers will be 2, 3, 4 is a composite number, 5, 6 is a composite number, 7, 8, 9, 10 is a composite number, 11, then 12 is a composite number, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Let us check, let us divide only with these prime numbers. As it is an even number, it gets divisible by 2 easily. 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, 2 8s are 16. Again it is an even number, so it goes in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 2 9s are 18. As it is not an even number, we'll try the next number, that is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So again this is a prime number itself, we'll use 13 1s are 13. Now these are the factors we got, that is 2 is written 2 times, then 3 is written only once, and 13. As you can see, 2 square, no, here no, and the correct option is D, students. Hope this is clear to you all. Welcome back, students. Now here is the last question of this multiple choice question. If P of E equals to 0.05, then the probability of P of not E is, so we know the formula, that is P of E plus P of not E equals to 1. We know P of E is 0.05 plus P of not E is equal to 1. So we'll shift this to the right hand side. P of E is equal to 1 minus 0.05. How are we going to subtract this? 1, just we'll write 2 zeros because after decimal zeros has got no value. Okay. Now the next number is 0.05. Let us subtract. Okay. From 0 we cannot take away 5. So we'll borrow from here. This will become 9 and this will become 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9.0. That is 0.95. So here the option D is correct. Hope you students have understood this. Here, write the zeros of the polynomial, that is x square minus 4. We need to find out the zeros. 0 means we need to find out the value of x. So this is a polynomial x square minus 4. Until unless we equate this to 0, we won't get the value of x. This is x square equals to minus 4. If it is shifted to the right hand side, it becomes plus 4. So x equals to root of 4. When we remove the square, the opposite side becomes a root. So x equals to plus or minus 2. Here there's the next question. If sine theta equals to 3 by 5, then the value of cosec theta will be reciprocal of sine. Therefore, cosec theta equals to reciprocal, we just write 5 by 3. Now, here there's the next question. HCF of 5649 is 7. We need to find out the LCM. We know the formula very well, that is HCF into LCM equals to A into B. Okay, or we can write capital A, capital B as well. HCF of these two numbers will be 7 and LCM we need to find out equals to, the numbers are 56 into 49. Okay, these are the numbers. Now we need to find out the value of L, that is LCM. Whatever is written after equals to, we'll just copy down that into 49 upon 7. You can either cancel this or cancel 49. Your answer will remain the same. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7, 7s are 49. So L equals to, when we multiply 56 into 7, we get 392. Here we have got the equation. Write the standard form of a quadratic equation with one variable. Quadratic equation is said. So the equation will be ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If the equation is write the standard form of quadratic polynomial, so we are not writing equals to 0. This is ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic polynomial, and this is a quadratic equation standard form. Now next question is, what is the formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers? The formula is Sn equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 is the formula to find the sum of n natural numbers. This is the next question. Write the lower limit of the class interval. This is a class interval 20 to 30. This is a lower limit and this is the upper limit. So therefore the lower limit is 20. Hope this is clear. Here we have got the question. If the radius of a semicircle is 7 centimeter, find the length of its arc. This is semicircle. Okay, will be, or else we say the length of its arc is 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Circumference is 2 pi r, but as it is a semicircle, we'll just write by 2. Okay, 2 cancels, so pi value is 22 by 7 and the radius of this is 7 students. 7 gets cancelled, we get 22 centimeter, or circumference we can say, or we say the length of this arc is 22 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we have got a last question of this 1 mark question here. Find the volume of a cone of the height 10 centimeter and the area of the base is 30 centimeter square. You can see this is a cone. The radius of this cone, so that is the area, will be pi r square. We know the area of the base is pi r square. Pi r square equals to, it is given as 30 centimeter square. Okay. Now we need to find out the volume of the cone. Volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. we know the value of pi r square, that is 30. Okay, let me write 1 by 3 here. Into pi r square value is 30 into h. The height is 10. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 10 tens are 100 is the volume of the cone. Hope this is clear. So let me explain this again. This is the area. It's given the area of the base. Area formula is pi r square, but we know the area is 30. So pi r square equals to 30. Let us substitute these values in the volume of the cone. So 1 by 3 into pi r square is nothing but 30 into 10. When we do cancellations, we get 100 centimeter cube. Hope this is clear. Now from here onwards, whatever I am doing will be for 2 mark questions. Now solve the equation using elimination method. These are 2 equations given. So let us eliminate and get the values of x and y. This is x plus y equals to 8. X minus y equals to 2. Now plus y minus y, directly I can cancel this. Let us do direct calculations. This is x plus x is 2x equals to 8 plus 2 is 10. This is x equals to, after equals to we have got 10 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are, x equals to 5. So we got the value of x. Now we need to find out the value of y as well. Now we can take equation 1 or equation 2. The choice is yours. So let me take equation 1 here. X plus y equals to 8. So x is 5 plus y equals to 8. Y equals to, after equals to we have got 8. We'll shift this 5 to the right hand side. I get minus 5. Y equals to 8 minus 5 is 3. So we got the values of x and y. If you want, you can just do cross verification by giving the values of x as 5 and y value as 3. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now x as 5 minus 3, y value is 3. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. I hope this is clear. Let's solve next question. Find the value of k if the quadratic equation x square minus k of x plus 4 equals to 0 has equal roots. So the discriminant will be b square minus 4ac equals to 0, right? So this is a discriminant where it has got equal roots. Now let us check the values of ABC. We can see the coefficient of x square is 1. I say a equals to 1. And the coefficient of x is b, that is b equals to minus k, and c equals to 4, right? Now let me write the values here, substitute the values of b value is minus k square. The way of writing is totally wrong. Please put bracket so that square is applicable for both minus as well as for k. Minus 4 AC, a value is 1 and c value is 4. AC, fine, equals to 0. Minus square, minus into minus, when we multiply we get plus, and this is k square minus 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16 equals to 0. So k square equals to, shift this 16 to the right hand side, you get plus 16. So k equals to root of 16. So k equals to plus or minus 4. Okay, this is the value of k. Sum of the squares of two consecutive positive integers is 13. So we need to find out the numbers. The consecutive numbers will be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and so on. These are the consecutive positive integers. Now as I said, the sum of the squares of two consecutive positive integers. Let us select these two. Sum means plus sign. Okay, we just remove comma, we'll write plus sign. X plus 1. Sum of the squares, let us square it, of this two consecutive positive integers is 13. Hope you have understood the way I have written. So this is x square plus this in the form of a plus b whole square. Let us assume this as a and this as b. A square plus 2ab plus b square equals to 13. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2 ones are 2, 2x plus 1 square is 1. Let us take 13 to the left hand side, minus 13 equals to 0. 2x square plus 2x, and see here we have got one plus sign, one minus sign, we need to subtract, we get 12 with the greater number sign equals to 0. As you can see, all this will go in two table. Let us divide by 2. Okay, so this is x square plus, if you want you can write like this, or you can just divide by 2. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2 ones are, you get 1x square, again 2 gets cancelled, you get x, minus 2 ones are 2 6 are equals to 0. Okay, let us multiply first and last term. We get here 6x square. The factors of 6, we need to check the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are, I can say 2 3s are or 3 2s are, then 6 1s are. Okay, these are the factors of 6, which goes in 2 table, 3 table and 6 table as well. Now here we have got 1. Okay, 1 in the middle term, so middle term splitting we have to do. यहाँ पे 1 है, so we need to check. So if I subtract these both, I get 1. Okay, in this if I subtract, I'll not get 1. If I add also, I won't get 1 here. So these are the correct factors. So always take a greater number followed with small number. We'll split this x on both the sides. Okay, so first sign is plus. Now think, to get 1, what are we supposed to do to these numbers? We need to subtract, right? When you want to subtract, we are going to change the sign. If we have got plus, we'll write minus. Okay, now middle term splitting we will do. First term as it is and last term as it is. Plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now in these two and in these two, you can see in this x is common. Okay, now we'll just cancel this x cancels, we get 1x here, x cancels, 3 is left over, right? Now we'll take this minus sign, 2 and 6 goes in 2 table, 2 cancels, x is left over, minus into minus is plus, 2 1s are 2 3s are equals to 0. Now in these two we can see that bracket is common. Leftover terms are x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have got x equals to, if it is plus 3, we write minus 3. X equals to minus 2, we'll write as plus 2. So as it is positive integers, we will consider x as 2. Okay, so the numbers are, therefore the numbers are 2 and next number is 3, because 2 plus 1 will be 3. Hope this is clear. Now we have got the equation here. We need to find the value of this trigonometric ratios. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. There's a plus sign. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cos sin 30 is also 1 over 2, that is 1 by 2. Now as is a multiplication, let us multiply these two. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 upon 2 2s are 4 plus half, when we add we get 1. So I'll just write 1 upon 1. Now we'll do cross multiplication. 1 3s are 3 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 4 1s are 4. Now you get here 7 upon 4. When we add these, we get 7 upon 4. Hope this is clear to you all. Now this is the next question. Find the coordinates of the points which divides a line segment. Join the points 4 minus 3 8 5 internally in the ratio 3:1. Students, as you can see, this is a line segment. I'll write this as AB. So this line segment is dividing, see we need to find out the coordinates of the points. This is a point, okay, which is dividing the line segment in the ratio of 3:1. So we need to find out this, and let me name this as P. Let us find out the P coordinates. So this will be XY, okay. So now A coordinate is 4 minus 3, B is 8 comma 5, and the ratio is 3:1. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is m1 m2. Okay, now let us write the section formula, that is pxy equals to, so m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is equals to m1 value is 3, x2 value is 8 plus m2 value is 1, x1 value is 4 upon m1 plus m2 3 plus 1, comma this one m1 value is 3, y2 value is 5 plus m2 value is 1 and y1 value is minus 3, whole divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1, equals to. Now let us multiply. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 4s are 4 upon 3 plus 1 is 4, comma 3 5s are 15, so plus into minus is minus, 1 3s are 3 upon 4, right? Now here I get 24 plus 4 is 28 upon 4, comma, so 15 minus 3 will be 12 upon 4, correct? Now let us divide this. 4 1s are 4 7s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So the coordinates will be 7 comma 3. Hope this is clear to you all, students. Find the distance between the points 3 2 minus 5 8. So the distance formula is d equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. So let us write this as x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 equals to root of, so x2 value is minus 5 plus, minus 5 minus, what is x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 value is 8 minus 2 whole square, that is y1 is 2, equals to. Now as you can see that both have got a same sign, let us add minus to minus is plus. Let us add this. I am going to get 8 minus 8 whole square plus 8 minus 2. When we subtract, I am going to get 6 square. Okay, this is equals to root of. Now minus, if you are multiplying 2 times, minus into minus is plus. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36 equals to. When we add these both, we get 100. So root of 100 is 10. 10 units we can say. Now let us solve the next question. Solve using factor method. Let us factorize this. Okay, x square minus x minus 12 equals to 0. So first and last term we will multiply. We get 12x square. What are the factors of 12? It goes in 2 6 are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 1s are 12. That means it goes in 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 table. Now let us check the middle term is 1. Okay, either if I add or subtract, I have to get 1. If we add and subtract, we won't get 1 here. Here if we add, we won't get, but if we subtract, I am going to get 1. Let me take a greater number followed with small number. I'll split x on both the sides. Okay, now what is the first sign? Minus we have got. This is most important sign. And let us think, to get 1, what are we supposed to do? We need to change the sign, right? To get 1. That means we need to subtract. Subtract means change the sign. Okay, now this is x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Now we will consider two terms. We'll take out a common term here. In these two we have got x common term. So one more x is left over, minus xx will get cancelled, we get 4. This is plus sign. 3 and 12 goes in 3 table. 3 cancels, x is left over, plus into minus is minus. 3 1s are 3 4s are equals to 0. Now as you can see, the bracket is common and leftover terms are x plus 3. Okay, you can even write x plus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to, if it is minus, it becomes plus. X equals to, if it is plus, it becomes minus. Okay, these are the values of x. Here we go with the next question. Find the 20th term of the AP minus 2, 1, 4, 7. Let us find out the first term here. We know the first term is minus 2 and the common difference is second term minus first term. Second term is 1 minus first term is minus 2. 1 minus into minus is plus 2. We get the common difference as 3. Even you can try with the third term and second term. 4 minus 1 is 3 as well. 7 minus 4 is also 3. Okay, now we need to find out the 20th term. So 8n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value we know it is 20 equals to a value is minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d value is 3 equals to minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 3. So this is minus 2 plus, when we multiply this we get 57. Okay, now 57 minus 2, if we subtract, I am going to get 55. A20 equals to 55. Hope this is clear. Welcome back students. Now let us check the next question here. This is our joining figure where we say that DE is parallel to AC. See, DE is parallel to AC. So we get a triangle D is parallel to AC, which is this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, okay, we say that DE is parallel to AC. We'll apply Thales theorem to this triangle. So we write BD by AD equals to, see, where does it ends? Here. So this is parallel line, that is BE by EC. BE by EC. This equation 1. Now next one is DE is parallel to, so now you can see DF, it's actually F here, DF, okay. DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. This one. DF is parallel to AE. So this will be the triangle, okay, which is a triangle here. In triangle ABE. ABE. So ABE, DF is parallel to AE. Okay. Now again we will apply the Thales theorem here. BD by AD equals to BF by FE. BF by FE. Okay, this is equation 2. Now you can compare this equation 1 and 2. When we compare these two, you can see that when these both are equal, these both are also equal. Okay, from 1 and 2 we say that BE by EC equals to BF by FE, or you can write according to the equation as well. Hope this is clear. Here in this question you can see this is a figure. In this figure ABC, here angle B is 90 degrees and BD is also perpendicular to AC. When BD is perpendicular to AC, we said it is 90 degrees, right? Now we have to show that BC square equals to AC into CD. Now we will consider two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Okay, so now we'll take base by hypotenuse. You can see this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is a base and this is a hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, BC by AC equals to. Now similarly, this is a triangle BDC. In BDC, this is the base and this is a hypotenuse. You can see opposite of 90 degrees is a hypotenuse. So CD by BC. Okay, base by hypotenuse. Now we'll do cross multiplication. BC into BC equals to AC into CD. BC into BC will be BC square equals to AC into CD. I hope this is clear to you all.